Hi, we are going to make a bookmark card like this one. Okay, now let's check it out. What materials do we need? We need some beautiful tapes. Alright, then we need some color pencil or pen. And don't forget the card that we have cut. Okay, that we have cut the card. Okay, it's time to make it. First, let's write down the word that we want to write here. Now, I want to write keep reading, okay? Keep reading. After I write it better, now let's try to color it. Let's color the writing. It is free for you to write something or draw anything or coloring it. Feel free to make it as you like. Now we need the beautiful tapes and scissors. We are going to take the beautiful tape here, push it clearly, softly, make sure everything will be okay here. Okay, let's cut it now. Alright, let's push it, then this one. Alright, we can cut this one, the part that we think it is not so good. Okay, now the other tape. Okay, after we finish, put the tape, the colorful tape here. Here is our bookmark. Okay, let's take the book. Okay, we can put our beautiful bookmark here. Alright, happy trying. Bye bye. It's not difficult at all to make bookmark, so I make the new one. It's so beautiful, I think.